Hello guys, so welcome to today's video. My name is John Anavi. So if you are new to my channel, guys, how you can approve affiliates and how you can also as well deny affiliates. Also, sorry, let me mention, I know a lot of my subscribers for coming back to watch this video. So moving on, so it's very simple. You sell software applications, or you intend to sell on WarriorPlus. All you need to do is to make sure it's not enough you listing products on WarriorPlus. It's very good, and in fact a must for you to get a platform or a method or strategy to get affiliates to promote your product, so you can easily generate sales and then get more income. So how do you do that? Is very simple. Number one, you should have listed your product on WarriorPlus and your products must have been approved. If you don't know how to go about that, there's a link under this video to check out a free training on how to list your products on WarriorPlus. So now let's get ahead now. So if you have your product listed already, now these are some of my products I have. I think they've been long, or I think almost a year. These products have been on my I've listed this product on WarriorPlus. So I have about 2 affiliates trying to request to promote this product, but you can see they're actually new. They have no score at all. You can see, okay, new affiliates. This also is a new affiliate, so you can see. So now if I'm going to approve this kind of affiliates, number one is they should have dropped a note how they intend to promote the products or whatever subscriber base they have or their past results on anything. But you can see here, of course, I've seen that they are new affiliates, so they definitely have 0 sales on WarriorPlus. And you can see, so here this guy just says, hey, I want to promote your products. And this company says, hello John, I'm an affiliate marketer and I would like to promote your products through social media, blog and YouTube. So I hope you will give me proper access to promote this product. Sincerely, John Anavi. All right, but you can see this guy is also saying stories, because no matter the kind of words you put in there, this is still telling me that these guys are new affiliates, so I should just be expecting, well, just 1 or 2 sales or nothing from them. So I can go ahead and approve them because I can see they are actually leaving a note, so they are serious with their promotion. So to approve affiliates for your offer, you can either approve or you deny. Now if you want to approve, just click on this icon, this downwards, this arrow icon. You can click, so you can approve them for instant payments via PayPal, or the money goes into their WarriorPlus wallet. But since they are new affiliates, their earnings will always go to their WarriorPlus wallets, except they've gotten a lot of sales, a lot of past results. Then you can assign them for payments, instant PayPal payments. So and also, if assuming they do not leave a note and they are new affiliates, I can just go ahead and deny. But something I learned from a reputable vendor is, he says just approve everybody. Anyone that requests to promote your products, just approve. But if you are trying to recruit, you are having a big launch, a big offer, please don't just go ahead and approve all of them. In fact, I would suggest you approve all these kind of people, new affiliates. You approve them later, maybe 3 days your product has gone live, or 72 hours after your product has gone live, or after you finished your product launch, so that you don't you don't miss out top affiliates who intend to promote your product. Because the reason is this: if you allow people to promote your products without experience or nothing, they just continue to send in massive traffic without converting those traffic to sale for you, and it's going to hurt your conversion rate. It's going to affect your score, your product score, and that's what the big affiliates are looking at. They're going to check out first if your product is actually converting. So if you approve these guys just like that to promote your products and you tend to still get big affiliates on board, then I'm sorry, you might be missing out on the big affiliates. So if you are just listing a product on WarriorPlus, you want quick sales, then you can go ahead and approve these guys to promote your product. But if you are planning to make a big launch, then you can always hold on and then you approve them later on while you approve other top affiliates. So I'm going ahead now to approve this guy. So I click on approve to approve this guy. So I will now approve the second guy again. Just click on the just click on this arrow right here, and then I'm going to click affiliates is approved, and then I'll simply click on WarriorPlus wallet. So he also this second affiliate becomes approved to promote my products. Well, while he gets his commission inside his WarriorPlus wallet. So it's as simple as that. So you can see they approved. So I can go ahead and then click on this love icon for it to say click here to auto approve future requests from this user. So if I want, in case this guy is applying here to promote any of my products in the future, I can just simply click here. So it doesn't need, anytime he sends a request, it gets automatically approved. But I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just leave it like that. So that's all for that, how to deny affiliates and how to approve affiliates to promote your product. So if you have any question for me, you can ask under this video. And if you are new in my channel, you are new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I need it. It helps me a lot. I'm actually not making money from YouTube, so my goal is actually to make money from this. So instead, before I get there, I'm trying to give as much value as I can. And of course, I'm not going to stop when I start making money on YouTube. I'm still going to give more and more value. So if you have questions for me and you don't want to comment under this video, yes, you can reach out to me on Facebook. I get a lot of questions from people on who come watch my videos on YouTube, and then they come ahead to Facebook to contact me and ask me 1 or 2 questions. So you also can contact me on Facebook, and then let's get talking. So my name is John. I'm going to leave a link to my profile on Facebook, so you can contact me on Facebook. So thank you very much for watching this video on how to deny affiliates or WarriorPlus. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be so very thankful if you also like the video, and then click on the notification bell so you can get my future updates. I'm trying as much as possible to upload at least 1 video a day, not just 1 video a day, but 1 quality video content a day on YouTube. It's not easy, but I'll try my best to make sure I get that done. So always watch out for my video tomorrow. I'm going to bring out another one. So I wish you all the best. Enjoy the rest of your day, and bye bye.